Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is the last load balancer type, which is Gateway Load Balancer GWLB. Okay, this is designed for deploying and scaling third-party virtual appliances. What is virtual appliances? I have created a separate video for it, but just for the sake of this video, for example, firewalls, intrusion detection system in transparent manner. It operates at layer 3 network layer, and please go through another playlist I have created for layering OSI model. It enables you to deploy, manage and scale network appliances, integrating them with AWS services, and it supports TCP and UDP traffic. It routes network traffic to virtual appliances without modifying the traffic, making it transparent to the end user. And this is useful for scenarios where traffic needs to be inspected or processed by network appliances. It supports integration with a wide range of virtual appliances available in the AWS marketplace. It automatically scales virtual appliances based on traffic demands, ensuring that capacity can be adjusted dynamically. It performs health check on the virtual appliances to ensure that traffic is only routed to healthy appliances. This helps maintain reliability and performance. It provides a single entry point for traffic entering your network. This simplifies the architecture and management of network traffic flows. It distributes traffic across multiple instances of virtual appliances, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. And this is the high level architecture of GLB or GWLB, Gateway Load Balancer. Okay, the load balancer is here. We have the virtual appliances. So for example, firewall, we always put firewall or intrusion detection system before we have the server, so that if there is any malicious activity, etc., we can protect our servers. So that is the whole purpose of this load balancer. What it will do, it will increase or decrease these firewall system based on the requests coming in, etc. And after that only we will have the actual servers. Use cases: network traffic needs to be inspected by security appliances such as firewalls. Example, deploying a firewall to inspect incoming and outgoing traffic for malicious content. Yes, suitable for application that require advanced traffic inspection or filtering by network appliances. For example, routing traffic through an intrusion detection system to detect and respond to potential security threats. Useful for scaling network appliances and ensuring high availability without managing individual instances manually. For example, automatically scaling a load balancer and associated virtual appliances in response to traffic spikes. It provides a centralized point for managing and monitoring network traffic, simplifying architecture and operations. An example is using this load balancer to route all the traffic through a centralized set of virtual appliances for monitoring and analysis. And that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.